Platinum against US dollar. This week has rise in value. If we take a look here where the week has started. The price formed two indecision candles trying to go above, formed this bullish breakout above 962, then returned with the bearish candle, which was a failed bullish breakout. The price continued to fall down and then the price reversed back up. Again, on the Friday, formed this bullish candle where the price has stopped at 962.00 at resistance level. The weekly time frame shows us a bullish candle with a larger wick on the upper side and also the same wick on the lower side, but it is a bullish movement where the price continued to rise in value. It has stopped just at resistance level 962. Monthly time frame shows us a bearish candle. In the previous week I have mentioned that I am expecting that the price will continue to fall down this month, and there is a high probability that the price will manage and close the month with a bearish candle. That means high probability that the price will go all the way back down, which is a very important support level. Now we can see for this month we have one more week. If the price goes below 935, this will open space to go even more down. If the price goes above and close the month above 992, 993, this will be a bullish reverse where the price will continue to rise, try to reach 1033. Now we can see that 936 and also 992 are very important. The weekly time frame, here we can see 962 is very important, and below 937 is also very important. The daily 980, we can see that, and here 937. Now if the price manages to go in the next week above 980, this will be bullish momentum where the month will close and become potential bullish movement and also bullish momentum for the next period. But if the price goes below 937.55, this will be a continuation of the bearish momentum, which you can see this is the downtrend, which means we have two very important support and resistance levels here and here that needs to be broken in order to validate where the price will continue in the following period. Now for now I cannot say clearly what I'm expecting because the price is bouncing between these two price levels, cannot find its way outside, and it will be very important to see on the daily how the price goes. I will share this MT4 template with the support and the resistance level and supply demand zones with the traders inside the forum and on the getnowtrading.com website. The link will be below. So if you would like to join also with the traders to watch the daily analysis with the traders, what is expected, you can also join the forum and discuss what you are expecting and also what I'm expecting, where the price will move during the week on the daily basis. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.